In this video, we are going to review the steps to quickly connect your tone-free wireless earbuds to your cell phone, but before we start, I recommend you download the LG Tone-Free app from your phone's app store. It's available for both Android and iOS. The app will provide the same setup instructions as I will, plus will give you more control over your tone-free earbuds, including equalizer settings, ambient sound levels, user control guides, and software updates. It can even help you find your earbuds if you misplace them. So go ahead and pause this video while you download and install the LG Tone-Free app on your phone. I don't mind waiting. To get your tone-free earbuds connected with your phone, start by activating Bluetooth on your phone. You'll find it in your phone's settings menu. Now, with the tone-free earbuds resting in their charging case, open the charging case lid. Then press and hold the touchpad of the left or right earbud for 3 to 5 seconds until the battery status indicator blinks blue. If your cell phone supports Android 6.0 or higher, a fast pair connection should pop up on your mobile phone screen. If so, just tap Connect and then set up to pair your earbuds to your phone. If you didn't download the Tone-Free app, it will give you a second opportunity to do so here. Otherwise, select Done and your tone-free earbuds should now be connected to your phone. If the pop-up doesn't appear, and iPhone users, I'm probably looking at you, go to your phone's Bluetooth menu and select your tone-free model and complete the pairing from there. Now, fire up your favorite music or streaming app and adjust the volume to make sure everything is operating correctly. You might want to launch the LG Tone-Free app and choose an equalizer setting that matches your listening preference. My favorite is Immersive, but you decide which one sounds best to you. Now, you are all set to go. Thank you for purchasing LG's tone-free wireless earbuds, and we hope you get many years of enjoyable performance from them.